Hey my cookies, today we'll be making fried green tomatoes. Let's cook. You want to start with some very firm green tomatoes and we're going to slice them about 1/4 of an inch in thickness so that it looks like this. Next, I'll place them in a bowl so that I can sprinkle them with salt. Salt will allow all of that water to be released from the tomatoes in order for our breading to stick. So we toss them in salt, then place them on a paper towel and allow them to sit there for 20 minutes and you'll see all of the water come out the tomatoes onto the paper towels. So our breading section, we need all-purpose flour and I just add a little bit of sugar to the flour. This will help balance out the tartness in the green tomatoes. What are we making? Green tomatoes, yeah. So now I'm going to season with a little bit of Cajun seasoning. It looks like a lot, I promise you it's not. Use your favorite seasoning salt. Mix it together really well. In a separate dish, we're going to add 1 egg and some milk. I'm using regular milk. You can use buttermilk if you'd like. And I gotta have a few dashes of hot sauce. Go ahead and whisk that together very well. In our last dish, we're going to add some Italian style breadcrumbs. You can use plain, whatever you like. And to that, I'm going to just pour in some onion and garlic powder. Mix it together well. Then I'm going to add in some cornmeal to get the texture I desire. And we're just going to mix that in as well. Now it's time to bread the tomatoes. So first we're going to place it in the flour. Make sure you coat it well. Then we're going to toss it into the egg mixture. And lastly into the breadcrumbs. And do that for each slice. Now it's time to fry. I heated about 1.5 cups of vegetable oil in my skillet. And I'm just going to add in the tomatoes. And we're going to fry them for about 3 minutes per side or until they're nice and golden. Try not to crowd your pan too much. Now, when they're nice and golden brown on both sides, go ahead and drain them on a wired rack. And that's it, my babies. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. You can absolutely serve them as is with a little remoulade sauce or any dipping sauce of your choice, but I like to be extra, so I added my crawfish Alfredo sauce to the top of it. These are so good with etouffee as well. I'll link both of those recipes down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I gotta eat. Until next time, be blessed.